Interesting facts. The liquid inside young coconuts can be used as a substitute for blood plasma. Donkeys kill more people annually than plane crashes. You burn more calories sleeping than you do watching television. Oak trees do not produce acorns until they are 50 years of age or older. The first product to have a barcode was Wrigley's gum. The King of Hearts is the only king without a mustache. American Airlines saved $40,000 in 1987 by eliminating one olive from each salad served in first class. Venus is the only planet that rotates clockwise. Apples, not caffeine, are more efficient at waking you up in the morning. Most dust particles in your house are made from dead skin. The first owner of the Marlboro Company died of lung cancer. So did the first Marlboro Man. Walt Disney was afraid of mice. Pearls melt in vinegar. The three most valuable brand names on Earth: Amazon, Apple, and Google, in that order. It is possible to lead a cow upstairs, but not downstairs. A duck's quack doesn't echo, and no one knows why. Dentists have recommended that a toothbrush be kept at least 6 feet away from a toilet to avoid airborne particles resulting from the flush. Richard Milhous Nixon was the first U.S. president whose name contains all the letters from the word criminal. The second, William Jefferson Clinton. Turtles can breathe through their butts. Cow has 4 stomach. Thank you.